Hey, welcome back to Feral Art. It's the I have a new toy and can't wait to use it edition. So I got this from the Paint Force store. I saw Nate use something like it from Fluid Art Co. And I'm impatient and can't wait. And also, how you doing? Today I have a 10 by 30 Blick Studio traditional profile canvas. I've had it forever. It's been sitting over in the corner. So we're gonna try this out. I've got a bunch of leftover paints. Hopefully this will be the last roundup for all of them. Let's see. Let me get you down here. Ta-da. Ta-da. There we go. Something like that. We got some white of some variety for flow extender. We have, I think this is Naples yellow. I have no idea. Some color of blue. This might be the cyan plus something sparkly. This is the quinacridone burnt orange plus something sparkly. This is some kind of silver plus something. No idea. That same friggin' sky blue light. And I believe some black. So, let's see how this goes. Now, this comes with these nifty little legs to prop it up. They kind of fall off a lot, but they're meant to be removable, so that's good, I suppose. And I have these lined up over here in the way that I'm going to put them in, I think.
People knew her by her will to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill, serving coffee to strangers, talking about revenue. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone, but she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survived the wheel, even though she got knocked down and never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall back? Lately your afterglow is shining brighter, waking up an easy egg.
fix me, but I don't wanna be like you. If you wanna take it back to the 50s, maybe I'm not the guy for you. You're dying not to work, but work until you die, you know that's true. Have you thought it through? Cause you love to tell me what to do. Say no, I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. You should go and get out, I'll make you regret it. Someone like you should worry about. Maybe it's you who's upside down, and I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. I don't wanna put on a smile, everybody expects me to. So you can keep your suit and your tie, gotta hope that it strangles you. Yeah, I do. You buy shit you don't need to impress the ones you hate, that's so fucked up. Cause everything you own just ends up owning you. So, dear society, you fucking suck. Say no, I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. You should go and get out, I'll make you regret it. Someone like you should worry about. Maybe it's you who's upside down, and I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. Ooh. Dear society, you suck. Am I the only one who's outside of this box? Who cares about your posts? I know they're only fake. Show us what you own and how much money that you make. Yeah, I know that you're trying to fix me, but I don't want.
This is really pretty under here.
Keep your stupid job,
Oddly.
pretend that you're the person you wanted to be. And you're dying not to work, but work until you die. And you're dying not to work, but work until you die. You're dying not to work, but work until you die. You're die inside. Say no, I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it.
Okay, wet results. Kind of a crapshoot. But it does have some pretty lacing, especially down here. This lacing right here turned out really pretty. Well, right here. Right here, not so much. But it was an interesting experiment. I really think that it would be better on something wider. I almost did it on a 15 by 30. And then I thought, well, let me experiment first, which I don't regret. But I think the 15 by 30 was probably the way to go. It's interesting. It's kind of ugly. But, you know, we got to start somewhere. I've never used a split dustpan before, have you? Okay. So there we go. Wet results. There you go. Whoop-de-doo. Here are the dry results of my split dustpan pour. This was largely an experiment, and I did learn some things. I learned that if you're going to use I learned that that part is really pretty. But if you're going to use a split dustpan, you need to do it on a canvas that is significantly wider than your dustpan, so that you can have some leeway for movement, which I did not. But I did get some nice lacing. I did use up some leftovers. And while it's not my favorite painting I've ever done, or even in the top 10 or probably top 20, it was a worthwhile experiment. So the next time I use my split dustpan, I will be doing it on a much wider substrate, because this was just not enough canvas to handle all that. So that being said, thanks for hanging out with me, and thanks for coming to play. And I will see you next time.